everyone, welcome to my channel, guys. And yes, finally the day has come. I've been waiting for the song to drop ever since it was announced. So we have Megan Thee Stallion with Namjoon. Yes, guys, are we ready? Are we ready? I am like, I don't know because I saw the artwork, which was like a cartoon, right? It was like like a comic book artwork. So I don't know if the entire video is going to be like that, or because Namjoon is not there. I mean, he's serving in the military. So I don't know. And this is on Megan's channels, and Namjoon is the feature here. Never Play. That's the name of the song, and I don't know. I'm like, I have no context. I'm just going into it completely blind. I just saw the artwork the day it was announced, and I screamed like it was a proper scream when I saw it. So yeah. Anyway, I don't know what I'm saying. Let's watch the song right away. Yeah, I think it's like animation only. Oh no, it's not. My bad.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let them know we on the way. Counting zeros every day. You know that we never play. 1, 2, 3, 4 every day. You know
Did
that
I
we
miss
never
that?
play.
But it's written A, so I literally thought, is it written like army?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
She's looking so
Let
hot.
them know we on the way. Counting zeros every day. You know that we never play. Time I never been wanna play with. Money talking is my first language. Me and RM gang, we gangin'. Boss level, he ain't even in the ranking.
Oh, he'll be the animation.
They don't rock when they see me at a
Makes
break-in.
sense.
Just know when it's time for me to get my lick back, all y'all finna be finished. Blue hair like one big chi-chis. Blue one, blue honey, big VVs. Run the world, everybody come see me. No tax but my passport, ayy. I'm the big fish jumping out the TX. So dope tryna make me take a P-test. Check the credits, you know who wrote it when the flow this hard.
Nice.
I can't help that, I'm that girl. They be talking,
I wish they had given the like,
I don't curve.
but it's like the auto generated. But I wish there was subtitles because I don't know. I don't know if this verse is like Korean or not. But if it was, they would have given the subs, right?
No tax but my passport, ayy. I'm the big fish.
Let's just sing another song.
So dope tryna make me take a
big
P-test.
fish.
Check the credits, you
He's
know
a
who
shark.
wrote it when the flow this hard, this heavy. I
Yeah.
can't help that, I'm that girl. They be talking, I don't curb. Beefing with yourself because you do not exist in my world. 3 things I don't play about myself, my money, or my man. Mention one of them and best believe I'm gonna be at your head. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is she? Oh,
Yeah,
that
mention one
animation.
of them and best believe I'm gonna be at your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let them know we on the way. Counting zeros every day.
Yeah.
You know that we never play.
Hey.
1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Let them know we on the way. Counting zeros every day. You know
What's
that
up,
we never
Stallion?
play.
You know that we never play. Yeah, we gon' forever slay. Me and Megan on the way for Asian men be paid away. Some like criminal off the digital, y'all them look so pitiful.
What is that, Cadence? Sorry. He did not. He's not using his deep voice and being so bad. He's so badass. I love it. Okay.
Let them know we on the way. Counting zeros every day. You know
What's
that
up,
we never
Stallion?
What's up, Stallion? Oh!
You know that we never play. Yeah, we gon' forever slay. Me and Megan on the way for Asian men be paid away. Some like criminal off the digital, y'all them look so pitiful. Fuck a deposit, 25 faucet. Synthesize your mind, yeah. From the size of side, yeah. Can you focus with a line, yeah? How many soldiers hate them? The law, hair well. The yards, a fairy tale. In the end, she's very fair. We get a barrel to nightmares. Shit is a toxic kitchen mosh pit.
What is that? What is that voice? What is that cadence? What is that flow? Oh my god, he would have looked so good just if he was present in the video. Like him and Megan. Oh, that would have set the screen on fire. Like, just imagine him being like, it's his animation, but imagine him being there, right? And just doing this badass stuff with that whatever that was in his mouth, that little twig or something, and then he'll be like, "Oh yes, you can never, catch me if you can. I have my badass partner with me, and this and that." Oh, that was so, like, look at that. I wish he were doing. I mean, I would love to see him do this kind of action and stuff like that.
Synthesize on mine, yeah. Fantasize inside, yeah. Can you focus with a line, yeah? How many soldiers hate?
I love that cadence. Oh, this voice.
And the yang, she's real fair. We could have barreled the nightmares. Shit is a toxic kitchen mosh pit. You and your people be false and boss. They would just boss it, pour the sauces on the face of the beat boss and boss. Call me a narcissist, like a typhoon, be an artist on the artist. Take out your wallet, sabotage your true business, sweat free pause.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6.
This shouldn't have been the animation. I wish, guys, but it's okay. It's okay. We shouldn't be complaining, are we? This is good enough. It's good enough. But I would love, oh my god, if both of them were in the video. Yeah, I would have fainted for sure. Oh, bro, looks so
Let 'em
good.
know we on the way, counting zeros every day. You know that we never play. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Let them know we on the way, counting zeros every day.
Yeah.
You know that we never play.
Where is he? Wait! There better be a follow-up video of this when he comes back from his service. There better be a freaking video with both of them. Yes. That's a hint. Yeah, I want that. I'm gonna manifest that. Yes. Oh my god. Okay. Like to this video. Oh, that was so good. Oh, I just love that this was a proper, like, I just love this combo because I like the way she raps and she's such a badass. And Namjoon. Oh, I just loved how good both of their rapping was, and it was just complimenting, like they were complimenting each other so well. And she has this boss babe vibe completely, and Namjoon, so does Namjoon. Like Namjoon, of course, he gives the president vibes. We call him the president, right? He gives the badass leader vibes, and he's just so perfect. Like his voice here was so good. That is the cadence I love. Like I love when he does that. He just goes low. This reminded me of Deng. Actually, this reminded me of his voice in Deng when he's like, it was so sexy, and it was so sad. Like it's just that calm, savage. Like you cannot touch me. Do whatever the f you want. I'm just gonna be calm and collected. That's him. That is him. I love it. Like, are you seeing this? The amount of content we get from the members is crazy. It's absolutely crazy. I love this, and I just wish, because of course the tempo of the song is quite fast, and I would obviously listen to it again and again and watch this video again and again, but I wish there were subtitles also. I'm just saying, because it's just gets easier to comprehend. Sometimes I miss a couple of words and all, and then when I read it now, it's just me, maybe it's not a problem with anybody else, but it's just with me. When I read it, when I'm reading it, I can understand the rhyme schemes better, and this is a rap song, so for me, I am thinking from that angle, right? I'm thinking of the entendres. I'm thinking of course, it's a badass song, counting money and all of that. They're making the moolah, they're making the cash, and yeah, and you can see it from the video also. So that's okay, that's fine. I get the vibe. But for me, when I'm listening to a song like that, it's also the verses which I would want to see. Like I can understand, but when you read it out, you can really analyze it well. That's how I am. When I read it out, I would be like, okay, is this like a double entendre or a triple entendre? Oh, this is a great wordplay. Oh, this is like an intelligent way to say it. Oh, this is very metaphorical. So all of that. So, but I was so distracted with the video and Namjoon's voice. Yeah, so I'm gonna just go through the lyrics myself, but I think this was a really good song, and both of them, this collab makes sense to me completely. Like when this dropped, I was like, oh, it's so out of the blue, right? But actually not. Actually not, because them collaborating together makes sense to me, completely makes sense to me, and I love that. It was not just like Butter was not just like a one-off thing. And her feature, let me just tell you, her feature in Butter is one of my favorite features. Like I think my most favorite feature in an already popular BTS song definitely is Nicki Minaj, because I really love that. Idol, like her verse was so well integrated, but after that definitely Butter. And so yeah, this collab makes complete sense to me, honestly. And I'm talking about female features. I'm talking just about female features that I have absolutely loved. I mean, Halsey, yes, of course, Boy With Love, but I'm just saying, in terms of like the integration, it just completely made sense to me. Because with Boy With Love, we already knew that this collab is happening, but with Butter and with Idol, the original song already exists, right? And then we get this, we get the integration. So that also is done really well. So I absolutely loved this collab. Both of them rapped really well. Megan looked absolutely stunning. I mean, that's not even like, that's out of question also. That's like obvious, and I feel that if Namjoon was part of the video, and just doing the exact same things that the animation was doing, Namjoon's animation was doing, yeah, that would have been so freaking badass. So yeah, that was the reaction to Never Play, and I hope that we have like a follow-up song, because that's a hint over there in the end. So you guys let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I absolutely loved it. This was really fun. It was fun. More than anything, it was just fun to listen to and also watch. And with that, I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.
You are the cause of my euphoria.